गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम दिनेश जी टू द रिटेल ज्वेलर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम आपके साथ बात करने जा रहे हैं IIJS वर्चुअल। सो हाउ हैज इट बीन विथ यू फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 days of IIJS वर्चुअल एंड व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट दिस एंटायर concept?
First of all, good morning to all, and thank you for giving the opportunity to come across and talk on the face of the IIJS. So IIJS really, when IIJS went into a virtual, when I heard about IIJS going virtual, I felt very happy that in our industry also we are just trying to match up the technology in the coming world, right? What is going to get accepted by all the consumers, all the people, and all those things. So we are on the face of the same ongoing. We are matching that face of the technology. I felt very happy and very top of the world that I'm the part of this IIJS, and in the jewelry industry we are trying to match the face for the whole world by going into a virtual. So regarding the virtual, that was the first thing where I felt very happy. Second thing, by going virtual at the company level, the participation under the PMJ, we have around 750 members. Out of that, around there are 300 salespeople and few purchase department people are there. So first time, all the people, because of the help of the virtual, all these people are able to participate in the IIJS batch by batch. So second thing, always I dreamed that how all these people will be able to see the IIJS world, right? Because they were not all these years. I've been in the retailing since last 11 years, but all these years they were not able to see the whole IIJS. Only few set of people used to watch the IIJS. So first time, it's the biggest opportunity for all my PMJ family members that they are getting the opportunity of watching the virtual IIJS. So everybody is boosted up because they are also able to see the goods. They are also been. So what we have provided while they are watching the virtual, we have provided some snacks and some cold drink, some snacks and the drinks, such that they can feel as a party time also and keep on watching the things. So my opinion is an excellent platform going to the virtual and having that adaptability towards the world, and we are matching that face. So that's it. Means rest, everything is been answered.
Fantastic. Looks, sounds so good. I'm so happy, that all your 350 people are able to, attend the IIJS, and they have given them the environment and the atmosphere so nicely so that they can enjoy IIJS. And in the virtual, the best part is it even looks like the real IIJS. When you go in, you feel the entire IIJS as it is, like a big festival of buying happening. The purchase experience is very seamless, and it is really easy, to do that. So thank you very much for participating in such a big way. So another question to you, Dinesh bhai, is how is the business been, as of now in your, you are in Telangana, you are in Andhra Pradesh. So you have such a lovely big retail chain, you have boutique stores, you have other different kinds of stores in the heart of Hyderabad, So how do you feel in the business, and what do you predict for the next 6 months, from 18th of October, Navratri starting till March? How do you feel the business will be?
Basically, to be honest, from the day one, I am been positive about the business. Whenever in early of 24, when I entered, from that day only, I am been positive about the business. Why I am been positive? Because the market size is very big. So it's all about how much share you can reach it. And every time, because of this technology, the market size is also increasing quite a big actually. So according to the business, if you see, it's all about the positivity. It's matter of time, maybe 1 month, 2 months, it will go little less. But if you see the overall scenario, it is towards positive side, because overall the sentiment of the people are increasing day by day towards the purchasing and towards the lifestyle and all those things. So all post COVID, last 4 months, yes, it was good, but seeing the scenarios of the outside world, other retail industries, we are a much head in the retailing of the jewelry, gem and jewelry. We are a much head than the other retail this thing, because in India we are so lucky that jewelry is being bought as an investment also, and all the fund managers all over the world, they are recommending gold for the risk management. So all the sentiments basically thanks towards the world that sentiment of the people, they already made it very right towards the positivity. Then for all our retailers, it is not taking so much push to convince the customer. It is taking little efforts only, because already the base has been built by the, thank God, from the World Gold Council or whatever the IAGs and
Yes.
lot of fund managers.
Yes.
So moving forward, I am towards more positive side. I think in next 2-3 months it has to come back to the normal what we used to do before the COVID actually.
Yes.
So I am very aggressive. I am very positive about the whole industry that it will move towards that.
Very nice. Thank you very much for this lovely insight. And I know that I've seen you how you are going very, very positive and very aggressive, in expansion, in doing so many contact programs with consumer segments, different consumer segments across all the cities, where you are present now. So all the best to you. You have a very, very good season, and may you catch up with all the numbers which you have predicted in last year for this year. And we'll see you soon after this entire COVID thing, and we meet in Hyderabad or in Bombay when we...
Sure, my pleasure. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for giving the opportunity also. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Namaskar.